Hey guys, welcome to this video. As you see, I have a box here. This is how it came. No, Kane.
Or would that have to make, or would that make you have to redo a video?
That would make me have to redo it, Kane. You're in a bad mood, I can tell. So yeah, this is the box. We have Otis luxury elevator buttons. You guys.
Thank you, Mom.
The police believe she attempted to murder her parents. Whatever is true.
Did I try to flip
Thank you,
the
Mom.
camera
I'll eat in a little bit.
off?
Yeah. So. No! Kane, away from here.
Am I safe with you right now?
No, Kane. So we are going to open this box, you guys. And Kane is being incredibly rude right now. I'm gonna throw these at him. Okay, you guys. So now, let's open the box. Kane, stop! Hey, Mom. Kane's being very rude right now. Oh, I don't want to get her on camera. She doesn't like that, you guys. You know what's gonna happen if you do that. Your phone gets taken away, Kane.
Did I try to save the effort to the camera?
Yeah. That could get me and you arrested. Stop. Are you doing this just because I'm taking a video? Stop, Kane. Okay, so here we have bubble wrap. You guys. I'm not gonna film Kane because he's being rude.
Oh, yes, you can film me.
Otherwise, then I will delete Kane's Fun World. Well, that was funny, you guys, that he did that.
Hey, you would actually be in big trouble because I started.
But no. Let's get to the elevator buttons.
Making videos in 2022. Give me a. So you would be in big trouble.
You guys.
And it was joined on September
So
30th,
now,
2020. And you would be in big
here
trouble.
they are.
Took it down.
And yes, that's
okay.
all that's in the box. Okay, Kane. Nothing in there. Just black. Now let's open the bag. It's 8:26 p.m. on Saturday, February 6th. You guys.
Sunday, February 8th, right? Today's the 7th.
Yeah.
I bet.
7.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna set this down and show you guys. Hey.
Hey everyone, give me a second.
Hey!
Am I making that video a little
Button number
inappropriate?
1. Yeah, Kane.
Or are you not going to play it in public?
I'm not. Well, it will still be fine.
Okay.
So you need to be nice.
Am I being a little inappropriate in the video?
Yes. People don't want to see you acting like that, Kane.
How am I acting right now?
Very rude.
I think this stuff kind of got me so happy upstairs, Mom.
Okay.
I just felt like hitting something, Mom. I think it's almost the same how Melissa
gonna
claps her
do
hands
this.
when she gets that happy, Mom.
Yep, just be very careful.
You guys. Oh. And we can film taking the button out.
Turn off power.
What's your mom gonna do, Kane?
You guys, I'm trying.
Can I get a Sprite, Mom?
Yeah.
Get one for me too, please. Kane. And here is a view of the button. These are
Do you
Otis
think I'm
luxury
gonna get you
elevator
one?
buttons. No. Kane.
No, you don't get a Sprite.
Okay. Okay.
You get toilet
Yeah.
water. Haha.
Ew!
Want some toilet water? Okay, I'll get you some toilet water.
No!
I'm not gonna, I'm just joking.
Right.
That would
Yeah.
be gross.
And let's set the button here.
Guys,
You guys, what? Mom?
well, maybe I won't tell you.
Okay.
Well, I don't know if this is it or not. We'll see.
And let's take out button 3, not in a bag. I mean button 2, not in a bag.
Might, depending on what this is,
You
we
guys.
might stop at the mall tomorrow after church.
What mall?
Vancouver Mall.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
We'll have to go there, you guys.
We'll see. Because I want to get you guys some, I believe this is what it is. When I was sleepwalking.
You walked to the mall?
So yeah, here's a view.
No, remember?
And
Well, I did a new thing while sleeping on accident. Not on accident, but I was. Hey guys, it's alright. Be
button
nice, guys.
number
They're squealing.
3.
They are. They want.
There are
Hey,
Calvin and
will you-
Hobbes, you guys.
What do you guys want? What you want? You okay? Alright. Go get you a carrot. Go get
Yeah.
them a carrot out of the fridge. They're in the yellow bag.
So now,
I'll try to excite them, Mom.
Or
Should I try to excite them?
get them, give them one of those, please.
Should I get them a carrot?
No,
and
give
I
them one of
believe I'm going to the mall tomorrow, you guys.
those. Hey, are you videoing? I'm not gonna say this if you're videoing.
Okay. I'll be done in a minute, Mom.
I think he's recording.
Oh.
Mom?
Sorry, I had to cover the camera, you guys.
No, I mean, I don't want my voice on there.
Yeah. So, button
So the
number
video's gonna get them squeaking, Vivian.
3, you
Right?
guys. Okay, Kane.
We
Yeah.
need to go get you guys
So
some
maybe we
clothes.
can reverse that part,
Yeah.
right?
Uh-huh, Kane.
We need to go get you guys some clothes.
The view of the button, you
Okay.
guys. Okay.
We're gonna go get you some stuff that fits well.
Okay. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.
What is
Bye.
that?